Hey there, I've got something fascinating to share with you today. Imagine getting a tattoo without the pain and needles. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, a company called CipherX is making it a reality with their microdot patches. These tiny patches are like miniature tattoos, but with a twist. I recently got the chance to try out this innovative tattooing method at a refurbished railway station in London. And let me tell you, it was an intriguing experience. The studio was unlike any traditional tattoo parlor. No buzzing needles, no reclining chairs, just a display case with a tattoo gun. It felt like being in a futuristic lab. Now, I'm not one to boast, but my latest tattoo was genuinely painless. I got a small sparkle line art design, and it was over in seconds. No, this isn't some magic trick. It's all thanks to CipherX's technology. They've created these disposable patches with microscopic, biodegradable needles that deposit pigment into your skin. It's like a high-tech sticker that gives you a tattoo. You might be thinking, wait, microneedles? Isn't that still painful? But here's the kicker, it's virtually painless. I barely felt a thing, just a slight touch on my arm. And I have sensitive skin, so this was a pleasant surprise. No bleeding, no irritation, and no healing time. It's like the tattoo just appeared out of thin air. The process is simple. You choose your design, they apply an ink guide, and then this 3D printed applicator does its magic. Within seconds, you've got a tattoo. It's like a futuristic version of a temporary tattoo, but it's permanent. And the best part? No scary needles. However, there are some limitations. The current designs are small, black, and not customizable. It's not for those who want a full sleeve or a colorful masterpiece. But CipherX is working on expanding their offerings. They're developing new colors, including a UV-reactive ink, and larger sizes. So, it's a work in progress, but the potential is exciting. Personally, I think this technology is a game changer for people who've always wanted a tattoo but are terrified of needles. It's a gentle introduction to body art. And the fact that they're planning to sell DIY kits for at-home use is mind-blowing. Imagine ordering a tattoo online and applying it yourself. But I do wonder about the long-term permanence and how it compares to traditional methods. In my opinion, microdot tattoos won't replace the traditional tattooing process, but they offer an alternative for those who want a quick, painless, and unique experience. It's a cool concept, especially for those who want a small, subtle design. However, for someone like me who prefers larger, custom pieces, it might not be the go-to choice. But hey, it's a step towards making tattoos more accessible and less intimidating. I'll be keeping an eye on CipherX's progress and will update you on how my tattoo holds up over time. So, stay tuned, and let's explore this fascinating intersection of technology and body art together.